This is the jumbo set of the Mexican train dominoes. You can play with 2 or more players, 8+ for the age. These things are great quality. I love that it comes in this like carrying case as well. Let me open it up and show you kind of what's all in it. All right, this is what it looks like on the inside. There is plenty of space. I have a couple dominoes already out right now, but it comes with everything you need. The little train toppers if you like to use these. It even comes with the little starter that you put it in the middle to start it off. It comes with the instructions if you don't know how to play. So everything that you need in one space. And I love this case to kind of keep it all together. But the dominoes are a little bit bigger than your average domino. They're also a little bit thicker, I would say. These are great when we play with like our nieces and nephews too. They love them. And then we love to pair it with this nice mat here. But we love Mexican train dominoes. It was a game I grew up playing literally all the time because it's just so simple and you can include so many different people. So I loved that I actually got this sent to me because it just brought back some childhood memories, and now my husband and I get to play it. So love it, great quality, and it's such a fun little game for game night.